Hi yummy girls, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us today. Are you tired of applying excessive tension to your leave out? Are you beginning to experience breakage around your hairline? We have just the solution for that. In this video, we're going to explore the benefits of closures and frontals and how to wear them during your install. Most people ask, what's the difference between a lace closure and a lace frontal? The difference is the amount of area that you want that lace item to cover. Also, what's your maintenance level? With the closure, there will be slightly less maintenance on how to maintain and upkeep that lace item. For instance, a lace closure provided from Yummy Extensions will typically provide a 5x5 coverage area on your head. Frontals will offer a temple to temple or forehead to crown coverage. Generally, this will mean that you have much more versatility with the frontal, however, there will be more maintenance. If you're wanting a sleek middle part style or even a side part, a closure is the perfect option for you. At Yummy Extensions, we do offer both 13x4 and 13x6 frontal dimensions. 13 inches means that it will cover the entire length of your hairline. Selecting either by 4 or by 6 will determine how far the frontal will come from the forehead to the crown of your head. So when you go to your stylist with the frontal, you're able to part wherever, whenever you like for the duration of your install. For many women, the daily maintenance of a frontal can be too much, but with the right practice and routine, they can become addicting. Yummy girls, thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Now for some questions that many yummy girls have.
How do I maintain my closures and my frontals?
Maintenance of lace items can include a lace adhesive and simply tying your hair up at night flat with a silk scarf to prolong the longevity of your lace install.